Hi children, today you are learning Geography Chapter 1, our state Karnataka. In this chapter you learn the greatness of our state and its heritage, the origin of the name Karnataka and the form of the state, the geographical location, size, land and water frontiers and neighboring states of Karnataka. Our state Karnataka is the land of Kannadigas. It is one of the Indian states which has its own greatness, prestige and heritage. This land has an ideal situation and is blessed with diverse relief features, flora and fauna, different types of soil, river systems, minerals and human resources. It is a prosperous land with its own literature, art and culture and has religious, spiritual and historically famous pilgrim centers. Many places in Karnataka are famous for their World Heritage Site and its natural beauty and abundance of wildlife. The name Karnataka has been in use from ancient times. This land used to be called Karunadu. Kar plus Nadu means a land of black soil. The word Karunat refers to Karnataka in the ancient Tamil work Shilappadikaram. Karunat means the land which is on an elevated plateau. It has been mentioned in Rupatunga's grammatical work Kaviraja Marga that Karnataka extended from river Kaveri up to the river Godavari. After the independence, India was divided into many states. In 1953, 9 southern districts, which were till then under the rule of the Mysore kings, were brought together to form the Mysore state. Later, when the states were reorganized on linguistic basis, means on the basis of language, areas with Kannada speaking people in Bombay, Hyderabad, Madras and Kodagu provinces were brought together. Thus, on 1st November 1956, the Vishal Mysore state came into being. It is in fond commemoration of this event that Rajyotsava, Karnataka Rajyotsava is celebrated every year on 1st November. In 1973, in response to the wishes of Kannadigas, our state was renamed as Karnataka. Geographical location. Karnataka is situated in the southern part of India in the western central area of the peninsular region. It extends from 11 degree 31 minute north to 18 degree 45 minutes north latitude and 74 degree 12 minutes east to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. Its length is 750 km, stretching from Aura Taluk in Bidar district in the northernmost tip of the state to Chamarajnagar district in the south. Its width is 400 km from the west to east. Karwar in Kannada district is at the western end, whereas Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar district is at the eastern end. Karnataka state has both land and water frontiers too. The Arabian Sea in the west, states of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast, Kerala in the southwest and Goa in the northwest form its frontiers. The shape of Karnataka resembles a cashew nut. Size: Karnataka stretches over an area of 191,791 square kilometers. It is India's eighth largest state with regard to area, and according to the 2011 census, it has the ninth position with a population of 6 crore 11 lakhs 30,704. Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. At present, there are 30 districts in our state. These districts comprises 176 taluks, 747 hoblis, 347 towns and cities, and 27,481 villages. Belagavi district is the largest in size, and Bengaluru urban district is the smallest. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for administrative conveniences. They are Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi, and Kalaburgi.